Hi there, Robin here, and this are fairy lights. Now, what's special about this particular string is the fact that it's only 1 meter long. That's 3 feet 3 inches, and they're still putting 20 LEDs on the entire string. So if you've got projects where you don't want to have that 6-7 foot long wire to it and you want them a little bit more concentrated, this is a really nice way to go. Now, this particular pack happens to be a set of 20, and yes, you're getting 20 of them. There's 20 LEDs on each string, and they're only 3 feet 3 inches long, which is really nice. They do run off of either 2032, so that's a CR 2032, which is best recommended. You can buy them on bulk as well, and they also run off the CR 2025s. Now 2025s won't last as long, but usually cost the same price, so definitely get the 2032s. That's the CR 2032s. Easy enough to replace. All you do is just pop the battery cover on the lights just like that. That'll get you access to what's going on inside. And just remember, there's a little tiny little picture in there telling you which one's positive and which one's negative, but if you get it wrong, you can certainly just, do it over again. So here is my masonry jar that I use for all my purposes. Now, this particular one has a 7-foot cable in it, so we'll take that one out and we'll just put this guy in here. So again, all you got to do is just kind of like stuff this inside of here. And it's up to you. I mean, you can either secure this to the top, which is what I normally do. I take this little ball of tape here and I put that on here or on the cover. And then when I do that, just make sure you kind of center it there. And then that'll give you somewhere for it to go. Now you could have just dropped it in the jar. That's fine too. So I just want to show the fairy lights. I don't want to show the actual controller inside. So there you go. Job is all done. That's how it looks, and that's why I actually tape it to the top, so this way all you see are fairy lights and you get a very nice little table light out of it. And again, this has just as many as this did, which is 7 feet long, 20 LEDs, except it's shorter, a little cleaner if that's what you're looking for, or if your project calls for it. Well, and there you go. If you are looking for a roll of fairy lights that is not 7 feet long, but only 3 feet 3 inches, but still has 20 LEDs on them, this is the way to go. Remember, this is going to be like a pack of 20 actual lights, and they do come in the different colors that you're looking for. Hope this video helped you out today. Maybe we'll see you in the next one. Like I said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.